back to the Crafty Meraki YouTube channel. It's Erica with you today, and today we are going to be talking about the Athena Meraki Flora Para-dies. Again, yes, I know, because it's turned out that, you know, I knew I was gonna like this, but I didn't realize I was going to love this as much as I have ended up doing. So you might have seen some previous projects of mine where I made this card using some Distress Oxides inks to add color, and then added a lot of these, to a card, and just had a pretty white background with a bit of pattern there too. And recently I also made a reel for this card using colored cardstock instead of like coloring or anything like that. And the good thing about this die is that you get 5 tulip heads with each sort of turn through your die cutting machine. So you will save yourself a lot of time, because like to make this card, I only had to run this through like 2 times, although I think I did it like 3 times to make a lot of flowers. And then I just picked out my favorites and added these to this card. And then with this one, I actually did cut out 5 of each color. So I have a lot of these ready to go. So with these ones, I have actually saved the excess pieces in these little mini, or the small storage pockets. These are from Averial, and then I pop this into the actual Meraki dies in there, and then the extra pieces go inside like this. So it's all in one place, which makes it really nice and handy, organized. I kind of like organized, especially in the craft room. But so I kept these separate. So these we are not going to use today. We are going to use the colored cardstock ones. So as you can see, I have quite a few in here. But what we're going to do is we're going to pick out a couple of the colors, and maybe instead of going rainbow today, we're going to go kind of more like natural in nature colors. So we're going to go for the sort of the yellows and the pinks and maybe red. Oh, no, maybe not red. But we're going to have 2 shades of yellow for sure, but different sizes. Let's find the different sizes here. And pink. So we were going to want to do the different shapes and sizes as well, just to kind of give a little bit of variety in our bouquet. So yeah, those will do. We'll have those, and then we're going to pick out a lot of leaves, because we're always going to have a lot of leaves, and stems of course as well. So some of these are shorter because I've already trimmed them down. So once you trim them off, like here, some of these are actually, you can't see it because it's all tucked in under, but you don't need a full length stem. So you could just, I think that these 3 here is actually 1.5. So make sure you keep all the little pieces, because you never know. Like, look at this little piece here. It's like a centimeter. That's just like a little cut off. So keep all of the pieces. I know I sound like a hoarder, and I'm a little bit of a craft hoarder. I'm not going to lie. It comes with the territory, I think, because I don't like craft waste. It's one of my pet peeves. So I keep pretty much everything, and then some years down the line, if I'm still haven't used them, then maybe I'll think about throwing them away. But you know, but for this, so today we're not actually going to make a card. I thought we'd make a gift tag instead, to just show you that these dies work really well, both for cards and for other things. So, I mean, I guess actually maybe I should have done a rainbow one and done like a gift tag for this card, because this is a birthday card, and then you can do a gift tag. But no, I'll tell you what, we're gonna stick with our original plan. So I have used the birthday slimline tag, this one. I really love this one. It's such a good one, because it comes in like a nice flag shape there. You got the stitch detail around the bottom, and I've also splattered a little bit of gold on this because, you know, it's going to be a birthday card. And then I used the birthday word die that came with this one. So we are going to use that as well. And I have actually cut this one out of patterned paper. But what I've done is I've actually cut out 2 pieces. So I thought the top one is going to be, the top one is going to be the one with the flowers. And then as you kind of slide it or open it, is going to be birthday or happy birthday inside, kind of like that. That could be fun. I don't know. I've never done something like this before, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's basically the plan now. So let's put it into action. Let's do it. Right, so I got my flowers, I think, organized the way I want them. So I'm going to put this piece of press and seal on top, and we're going to press and seal all these pieces. And then we're going to peel this off, and the flowers are going to come with us. So then on the back of this, we are going to basically trim and cut. So where there will be stems showing, so we're going to pop a little one, oops, going to pop a little one there. And you can see, I mean, I kind of overestimated how much I was going to need here, but it's just to kind of give the idea or the impression that these are real flowers and we have stems and all that good stuff with them. So we're going to keep puzzling here, and then we're going to add these with a little bit of glue as well, make sure that they stick. Yeah, I probably should have put down a little bit of glue as I was putting these pieces down instead of fiddling like this. So take note, friends, do as I say, not as I do, because I do seem to always come up with like better solutions as I'm going along, but oh well. That's what we're here for, isn't it? Sharing ideas, tips and tricks, what works, what doesn't work, and hopefully it will make someone's life easier down the road. Right then, so on top of this, now we are going to add a bit of glue on all of these flowers, and it can be a good idea to add just a little bit like along the seams where you have them overlapping as well, just to kind of make sure that things stay in place. Okay, and then we're going to take, I'm going to zoom out a little bit again, we're going to take our tag, and then we're going to take this whole shebang, and we're just going to turn it over and pop it down like so. And then press gently so that the glue will stick but not squeeze out. What I tend to do is, just to make sure that nothing moves, is you hold down a little bit and then you peel gently, make sure that everything stays where it's supposed to go. There we go, that one was a little bit loose. And there we go. Right, so at the bottom here, we are going to add a few of these, and I'm realizing now that maybe I have gone slightly overboard. But, not like me, I know. If it's not bling, it's leaves or something else that I'm overusing, but ah well. We all have our styles, don't we? So whilst I'm just gluing these away, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that thumbs up button, and hit that notification button as well so you don't miss any of the uploads from our fantastic design team. But with that, I'm all done for today. I really hope you've enjoyed this card, and see you soon again. Bye!